Hey, good morning everyone. It's July 12th, 2026. We're just about 5-6 miles south of Manitowoc on Lake Michigan this morning. We're just hitting 60 feet of water. Water temperature at the surface is 68 degrees, marking some fish down there. It's about 4 a.m. Been fishing for about 10-15 minutes. Just lost one, had it on for a couple seconds, and that was it before I even grabbed the rod. But anyway, stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get some trout or salmon this morning. All right, we got one on. And that's a J plug. Could be a big king. Well, no other jumping. Got some tension on the rod. It's pretty dark. I don't know if we can see this. I think I'm going to turn the camera off for a bit. Well, that's too bad. That's 0 for 2. I had one hit this morning so far that more or less jumped and threw the bait. And I had that one now halfway to the boat and not sure what happened. I thought we had tension on. I hadn't gotten my clip-on weight off yet, so there should have been tension on it anyway. That's how it goes. Maybe it was a rainbow and threw the hooks. I don't know, but 0 for 2 for the morning. It's 4:15. We got plenty of good fishing time left. We're in good water. Stay tuned. There we go. Fish on. Looks like a little king. We'll throw him on the ice. That's 2 for something. 2 for 3 or 4. All right, we'll get him unhooked and keep on fishing. I think that's a nice brown trout. Well, we got 3 in the boat. All right, well that's not a bad brown. Nice chunky fish. Maybe 5 pounds, 4 pounds, something like that. We'll get him in the cooler. That's number 3 for getting a fish in the boat today. Well, it's been a great morning so far. We got 3 fish in the bag. 2 of them are kind of small, but we'll take them. I think it's 2 small kings and 1 small medium-sized brown trout. Sun's just coming up. It's 5:22. Again, I know I've said it before if you've been on this channel, getting out here on a kayak on a calm day out on Lake Michigan. No fumes, no fuel, no motor hum. You know, there's some pretty quiet motors out there today, but just you're the captain here. You're setting up your own lines, you're looking at the fish finder, doing your own thing, netting your own fish, setting up your own lures. It's just the whole fishing experience, and I just I can't say how much fun it is. It's nice being in the boat too. It's certainly easier, but getting out of here on the kayak, it's just a hoot. So, all right, I'm gonna shut up and let's fish. Hey guys, that's about it for today. Dan from Hafe Kayaking, thanks for joining us. Hope to see you out on the water. It's now about 10 to 7 and we are back into 25 feet of water. Just making her in, calling her quits. Got 3 for the day. I think I lost 2 other ones early on. Not a bad morning. Get a chance. Hope to see you out here. Take care.